In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a backup in Hostinger step by step. Backing up your website is one of the most important things you can do to protect your data. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a business website, having a recent backup ensures that you can quickly restore everything if something goes wrong. I'll walk you through how to access your backup settings inside hPanel and how to generate or download your website and database backups. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical hosting tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open hPanel, which is Hostinger's control panel. Start by logging into your Hostinger account. Go to hostinger.com and click on Login at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, and once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Website section. Click on Websites, and you'll see a list of all the websites connected to your hosting account. Find the website you want to back up, and then click on the Manage button next to it. This will open the hPanel management area for that specific website. Now that you're inside hPanel, the next step is to locate the backup tool. Scroll down through the dashboard until you find the Files section. Inside the Files section, you'll see several options related to managing your website files. Look for the option labeled Backups and click on it. This will take you to the Backup Management page, where you can access both file backups and database backups for your website. At this point, you'll see two main backup options. The first option is Files Backups. This includes all of your website files, such as themes, plugins, images, and core installation files. If you're running WordPress, this would include everything inside your public_HTML folder. The second option is Database Backups. This is your MySQL database, which stores your website content, settings, user data, and other important information. For a complete website backup, it's recommended to make sure you have both your files and your database backed up. To create or download a backup, choose the option you need. If you want to create a new backup, click on Generate New Backup. Keep in mind that depending on your hosting plan, there may be limitations on how frequently you can generate new backups. Once you click Generate, Hostinger will begin preparing your backup file. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your website. If backups are already available, you'll see a list of existing backup dates. Next to each backup, you'll find a Download button. Simply click Download next to the backup you want, and the file will be saved to your computer. Make sure to store your backup in a safe location, such as an external drive or cloud storage, so you can easily access it if needed. And that's it. Once the process is complete, your website backup will either be generated or downloaded successfully. You now have a secure copy of your website files and database, giving you peace of mind in case of accidental changes, hacking issues, or update failures. Creating regular backups is a smart habit, especially before installing new plugins, updating your CMS, or making major design changes. It only takes a few minutes, but it can save you hours of stress later. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Hostinger and website management guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.